In this video, I'll show you how to fold down the back seats of your Volkswagen Beetle from 98 to 2010. So to have access to the rear seats, well, I know it's obvious, but you need to fold down the front seat. Then you're gonna notice there is this loop sticking out of the seat cushion. Pull on it so you unlock the seat cushions and then lift them so they stay in a more vertical way, just like this. Now you're gonna notice there is a lot of crap there, so you can do a small cleanup. Go in the trunk and you're gonna notice there is a button right here in the middle of the backrest. Press on it and push. The seats are folded, but if you need more space and you want them to be completely flat and this is not enough for you, you need to remove the headrest, sorry. So to remove the headrest, you're gonna notice there is a latch that you need to keep press and pull the headrest up. It's hard to do it with only one hand because I need to hold my camera, but with two hands, honestly, it takes like 2 seconds. So push that button and pull the headrest up. Okay, this latch right over here. I'm almost done. Now you can store this headrest anywhere. I suggest you put it in the front, don't lose them. And do the same thing on the other side. This way the back seats, the backrest will stay completely flat and you'll be able to hold much larger things. When time comes to put everything back, you just need to do the same thing but in reverse. At the end, this seat cushion will clip in place, put back the headrest, and you'll be good to go. Leave a comment and I'll see you in the next one.